Everyone, today let me show you the free table lamp for the rechargeable using of the bar the restaurant. This is the amazing free table lamp. It use They have the 7 colors you can set to. When you turn on, flip, and then if you change the color, this table lamp. It means this, if you use on the bar, this can be till the waiter will come here. When turn on, we can using the RGB. This is for the ambient. So this flip table lamp is consistent of 3 parts. One is this lamp. The second part is the charging dock. The charging dock. The third part is this plug. This is the 12 volt 10.8 adapter. So let me show you how to control the lamps and changes the color. So this lamp, they have the no button, no charging port. So if you need to change it to add the color, the setting, you need to put lamp on the charging dot. And now I show you how to setting the colors. I'll give you example. I turn on this lamp on here. Now it is connect. Now it says turn off. It means it's completely connect. So the material is a stainless. Is stainless. So it can be the charging together. So this applicable. So now this lamp, now it is on charging start. This lamp now it is completely connect. It must be turned off and then the lamp can be connect. Like this lamp still cannot connect because now it's turned on. I will show you. On this console board, they have the model of intensity and color. So this lamp have 2 parts. One part is this side. This side they have 2 colors. One color is the red, and the second is another red. So the second is out. This out is to control the lamp to turn in on or the on out. Now this lamp, if I want to turn off this lamp, I can put here, and then it's still not off. When connect, when I button, press this button, so this lamp will be turned off. So it cannot on. So now it cannot on. Now it's console. I put it again to the second setting. So this is the intensity. The adjusted brightness, 25%, 50%, 70%, and 100%. So now I choose now it's 25%. Now I change it to the 100%. Now it's the 100%. It's brightness. I put that. And then the color. Now this is the white color. I want to change this to the yellow color. I choose the button yellow here. This is now this is the yellow color. So this is easily console. So this characteristic of this lamp is this lamp. Most of the part is this controlled by this dock. So user cannot turn off or turn on this lamp. So it's easily for bus to gather to manage. And this is like means tell the waiter come here. And this battery is can be working time. It can be the 12 to 55 hours. So one night is can be used. Cannot be need to charge. When the fully charged, it need 4 to 5 hours. And this is the packaging. This is the packaging or this. Okay, this is the lamp. It can be the 25. Together with one the charging dock. Okay. And this charging dock, it can be support the 25 lamps to charging together. Okay, that's all. Thank you.